Hey guys, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. I'm sorry for the dark video. I'm in the car. It's getting dark outside and it's also snowing, but I had to share with you a couple mega news that I just read off of Twitter. First of all, Elon Musk just tweeted that March 14 in the design studio in California will be the unveil of the long anticipated Tesla Model Y. It's so incredibly important to what Tesla is doing. It's a car that's going to be based on the Tesla Model 3 platform. The only image that we have is what we have, what I show you now. But we'll see what happens. And the next one is that this coming Wednesday, the first Tesla Supercharger version 3, the Supercharger, is going to go online. And they anticipate, I'm reading off the tweet, they anticipate 350 kilowatt power output off the grid with the capability of solar power pack system. So some of the supercharger stations are start to be covered by solar array, which is amazing. Just to give you indication, because I do a lot of long range traveling with the Tesla, over 6,000 miles since I bought it. When you come to the supercharger on very low battery, you will get around 110 or 115 kilowatt hour in the first 10-15 minutes. That averages 500 miles an hour. So basically, it's more than double. It's more than double. That we're talking about a crazy amount of power. Now, I'm not sure which car will be eligible or powerful to receive this amount of jolt. Will the new Tesla Model 3s be able to do that, which would be great for me, or the old Model S's? I'm not sure, but that's going to go online this coming this Wednesday. Yeah, that's the news. Yes, 250 kilowatt. Just looking at the details here. So we have the Tesla Model Y on March 14, couple weeks, and then we have the Tesla Supercharger V3 version 3 coming up this week. Great, guys. I'll keep you updated every day now.